are the ingredients of my beef empanada. We have a pound of beef, ground beef, onion, garlic, potatoes, the empanada wrappers from Goya, salt, pepper, black pepper, cayenne pepper, a little bit of raisins, and I'll be adding a little bit of mixed veggies. Yes, we make it. I also have eggs boiled, onions and garlic. Smells so good. Then I will add the ground beef. 1 pound of ground beef. That's a pound. I'm going to add the potatoes. These are diced or cubed potatoes. So the beef and the potatoes are cooking, so I'm going to add the mixed veggies. You can just add carrots if you want to, but the mixed veggies is made of carrots, corn, and green beans. Then I'm going to add the cubed eggs and raisin. Okay, raisin will add to the flavor because it's sweet, so it will be tasty. Okay, so let's add them, the eggs and the raisin. Just hold it, not mixing too much. It's already cooked. The eggs are cooked. The raisin is preserved, so we'll just mix it for a bit, then it will be ready. I will let it cool. So I will put the filling in the empanada wrapper. So I have this empanada dough from Goya. You can find this in the frozen section. So for me, it's just easy. I don't have to make the dough. Look, it's easy open, and it is individually separated. So let's start filling up this empanada doughs. So about a spoon or a little bit more. You can also seal it with water. Just water, I'm just using water. Press it down. Let's have egg wash, brush it with an egg wash. Let's bake it for about 20 minutes. Look at that, empanadas, beautiful. Oh, it's still hot. Let's let it cool down and it's ready to eat. The empanada ready to eat. Let me eat one. Delicious, delicious. That's it.